YouTube, what a YouTube daily up. No, I'm sorry. Down Home News TV. Got an article coming from New York Post. The title is Georgia Governor Brian Kemp calls for Fani Willis accusations deeply troubling and hints at probe. Now, I'm not too familiar with the situation, but I got a little peek at the article prior to me opening it up. But let's dive into it. The governor of Georgia described accusations of misconduct by the district attorney prosecuting Trump election interference cases in the state as deeply troubling to the Post on Friday. A spokesperson for Brian Kemp, also indicted Fulton County DA Fani Willis, could face a probe by a special commission over her alleged improper relationship with Nathan Wade, who she appointed as a special prosecutor in the case. I did not know that she had a relationship with the person that she appointed. These allegations are deeply troubling, and evidence should be presented quickly in order for presiding Judge McAfee to rule and the public to have a confidence in the trial moving forward, the governor's office said in a statement to the Post. The co-prosecutors were first accused of having a clandestine relationship in a motion filed Monday by Michael Roman, one of Donald Trump's 18 co-defendants in Willis's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organization Act probe, RICO Act. Miss Fani Willis is yet to publicly comment on allegations. AP Roman's lawyer, Ashley Merchant, accused Willis and Wade of having violated laws regulating the use of public monies, suffer from irreparable conflicts of interest, and have violated their oaths of office under the Georgia rules of professional conduct and should be disqualified from prosecuting this matter. The court filing alleged that Wade paid for lavish vacations with Willis to Florida, Napa Valley, and the Caribbean using legal fees he's been paid by Fulton County DA's office. Those claims have not yet been proven. Kemp last year signed a new bill for a statewide prosecuting attorney statewide qualifications commissions PAC-Q with the power to investigate complaints against district attorneys and remove them if they have sufficient cause. The law outlines a series of offenses for which a prosecutor can be removed, including misconduct in office. Willis Center and Wade Wright are accused of misconduct over having an improper relationship. Georgians need to be able to have confidence in this trial, and the Georgia General Assembly laid out a specific process to investigate matters such as these. The governor's office wrote a statement to the Post. The PAC-Q, or the PAC-C, has the authority to investigate the alleged misconduct by district attorneys and solicitors general and discipline, remove or cause involuntary retirement of those who meet the conditions for removal. Kemp's spokesperson told the Post Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene has the right to refer to the matter to the commissions because she filed a criminal complaint against Willis earlier this week. In the complaint filed Wednesday, Greene requested an inquiry into the Fulton County District Attorney regarding her alleged secret boyfriend, Nathan Wade. The prosecutor representing her office in the former president's case. However, the commissioner's terms will not formally begin until July 2024, and only then will it be ready to receive complaints. Willis stayed largely out of public view on Friday. Wade briefly appeared in court, but indicated his work would be handled by his colleagues. Excuse me. Y'all gotta help me quit dipping. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp has been urged to launch a criminal investigation into Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis over allegations she had an improper relationship with Wade, a P. Harvey Silvergate, a criminal defense and civil liberties lawyer representing former Trump lawyer John Eastman in the RICO matter, said his client and co-defendants no longer felt confident they were being prosecuted by somebody without an axe to grind. Kind of sounds like is that Attorney General Letitia James I'm thinking of from New York? It's very difficult when she, Willis, has an intimate relationship with the person in charge of trying the case. He also described the original appointment of Wade to the role of special prosecutor as a shock given his lack of experience. This is a very difficult case to try, and the fact that this is somebody with no experience is mind-boggling, he said. According to Silvergate, the ideal outcome for his client would be for the state attorney to appoint a special prosecutor to take over the case. Donald Trump, Giuliani, and 17 others pleaded not guilty in August to all charges in a sweeping racketeering indictment for alleged efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in the state of Georgia. The independence and the independent judgment of the district attorney is called into question. And of course, that also affects public confidence because it's important not only that justice be done, but that the public see that justice is done, he added. So it throws a gigantic monkey wrench in the whole thing. In arguing for the case to be dismissed earlier this week, attorneys for Romans made several accusations about Willis and Wade. His legal team wrote in the motion Willis had failed to properly obtain the approval of Fulton County Commission before hiring Wade as the special prosecutor. But Pete Scandalous, Pete Scandalakis, a Republican who leads the prosecuting attorneys council of Georgia, said district attorneys in the state were not required to seek the authorization of the county commissions before making such hires. Roman's attorney also alleged Willis had a conflict of interest that broke her oath of office. Furthermore, they accused both Willis and Wade of violating the county's code of laws and the rules of professional conduct regarding their conflict of interest. Meanwhile, Willis, whose sources have told the Post, has been working with Wade since at least 2019, fawned over him and described him as both a personal mentor and a meaningful person in an unearthed interview with South Atlanta magazine from 2021. Yeah, some more inconsistencies, I guess, or weird things happening with the case. My honest opinion, I think they got it out for the guy, man. Especially when you hear about, who is it? Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. People saying he needs to recuse himself because his wife's, how can I put this? His wife's opinions of Trump, I guess you could say. That he needs to be recused and step down for the Supreme Court. But in other instances where you have Letitia James, the Attorney General, I believe she is, of New York, stating that her primary goal is to get Trump when she gets into office. And what she do? She go after his businesses. But yeah, it's a lot of back and forth stuff. Pretty mind-boggling how our politics have been reduced to this. But let me know what y'all think about this article. Like, comment, subscribe, share.